Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to show you this motion sensor LED, kind of like a night light. They sell these on Amazon. You get 3 of them in a pack for $20. I'm only going to go show you one, but I'm going to show you what's in the box and how to use them. Okay, so the first thing, these are AAA battery powered. You will need 4 AAAs for each one. So that will be, since this comes with a 3-pack, you'll need 12 AAA batteries. Not the rechargeable, just regular old batteries. Okay, so it's got a nice little thing on here that shows you where the batteries go. You got to move this up, and then it tilts out, and then you got to put the batteries in according to the polarity. So negative is going to go in first, positive, and they're all going to go in the same way. You just keep pushing them in. So now we got our last one, and we got to close this. It's not made the best, but I think it's going to be okay. And then you got to slide it. So the light comes on automatically when you first install the batteries. Now there is a little plastic. We're going to take this plastic off. There's one on each side. Okay, so the theory behind these, that's a little motion sensor. And it's going to turn these LED lights on while it senses motion. Now on the back here, it's got this sticky tape, so you can peel this off and stick it where you want. But the cool thing is that's a magnet. So what that is you can stick this where you want it. That's just a magnetic strip, and then this way you can take the light on and off. I didn't know that was a magnet strip at first. So if you stick that to the wall, that'll stay, and you're just going to stick the light there. Now that's not enough of a magnet to stick on a metal surface. So see how that's actually the magnet that's not on here. This is strictly metal. So this part is not magnetic. This is what's magnetic. That's why it sticks to it. So that's a really neat feature. So when you want to stick it to the wall, this is that double-sided tape. And you're just going to peel it and then stick it where you want. Now I consider this kind of up since the printing is this way. That way you can see the battery drawer. So again, the theory is you can stick this and it's going to come on when it senses somebody walking, like in the hallway. But if it's daylight, or if there's enough light in the hallway already, it's not going to come on to help preserve the batteries. So it's not coming on all the time. It just has to sense that there's no light. Okay, so I've got the lights turned off. We're going to turn this light off. Okay, so here we are in the bathroom, and I've got enough light on, so I'm going to turn the light off. And then okay, so the light came on when it sensed the motion. Now it will only stay on for 15 seconds once the motion goes away. So I want you to see these lights are very powerful. When it's dark, now they're kind of omnidirectional. They don't point it in necessarily one direction. It's kind of all directions forward. So you can see. So yeah. Miss Fiona's helping us. So it does come with an instruction manual. It says don't place them in a damp or high temperature area. When the LED starts to get dim, it's time to change the battery. So again, these are just, you don't have to have a plug-in. And I think with, they are battery operated, and you might be wondering how long they're going to last. I don't necessarily know exactly how long they're going to last. But at least if it senses light, they don't come on, and it only stays on for 15 seconds after it turns on. As long as the motion goes away, it'll turn off. But if it still sees motion, it'll stay on. So these got a really nice look to them. Again, I didn't realize this. I installed a couple of these already, and I didn't realize that was a magnet strip. So very nice, but you are going to need 4 AAA batteries for each one. Thanks everybody for watching. If you could, please like and subscribe.